Hi, I'm Lady Trample from Team Antik, and I'm going to show you how I lace my skates. The very first thing I do to get a nice snug fit is I put my skates on and then I snug all the way from the very bottom lace. And I do this each time I put my skates on. It's going to allow me to get the best fit. I like to double cross through this section here. That's going to help keep the tongue in place. So I normally just really pull that in. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a loop using this little side eyelet here, and then a matching loop on the other side. And I leave those with a little bit of extra room. I'm then going to take this end here and feed it through the loop on this side, and then this end here and feed it through the loop on this side. Then I'm going to grab my laces and I'm going to pull away from the boot. And what that does is it creates a nice snug pull here, and it pulls my boot towards the back of the heel, and it means that I'm not going to get any kind of looseness around in this area, especially at the top of my arch. Then my next step, I'm actually going to come from the outside in. And each time I pull that, you're going to see how snug it makes it. And again, for the very last one, outside to in, nice snug pull, outside in, nice snug pull. And you can tell that even without tying it, the laces are staying nice and tight. And I do this because sometimes if I come the other way through, I'll end up skating my boots loose. They feel tight to start with, but by the time I start rolling, I automatically have to sit down, stop, and relace. So by doing this external inwards, I get a nice lock from there, tie, whoop, and I'm ready to roll.